Finding the right car to flip is the first step to success. It's crucial to start with a solid foundation, and that means choosing a vehicle with potential. Online platforms like Auto Tempest are your treasure maps. They aggregate listings from multiple sources, giving you a comprehensive view of what's available. Auto Tempest searches multiple websites at once, saving you time and effort. This means you can quickly compare prices and find the best deals without jumping from site to site. Don't limit your search to your local area. Expanding your search radius can uncover opportunities you might otherwise miss. Widen your net to find hidden gems. Sometimes the best deals are just a state away, and a little travel can lead to big profits. When searching, use specific keywords. This helps narrow down the listings to those that meet your criteria. Target listings that say, "No start, needs brakes," or "mechanic special." These phrases often indicate cars that need work but can be bought at a lower price. These often mean motivated sellers willing to negotiate. A motivated seller is more likely to accept a lower offer, increasing your potential profit margin. Before you get too excited, always inspect a car before buying it. A thorough inspection can save you from costly surprises down the road. If you can't see it in person, ask the seller for detailed videos and photos. This can give you a better idea of the car's condition and any potential issues. A pre-purchase inspection by a trusted mechanic is a worthwhile investment. They can provide an expert opinion on the car's condition. They can uncover hidden problems that could cost you later. Knowing these issues up front allows you to make an informed decision. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for any trouble codes. This tool can reveal issues that aren't immediately visible. These codes provide valuable insights into the car's health. Understanding these codes can help you assess the true condition of the vehicle and avoid potential pitfalls. Negotiation is key to maximizing your profit. It's not just about getting a good deal, but about understanding the value of what you're buying and selling. Remember, the goal is to buy low and sell high. This principle applies whether you're dealing with cars, real estate, or any other valuable asset. Don't be afraid to lowball, but be realistic. A low offer can be a starting point for negotiations, but it should be justifiable. Start with a significantly lower offer than the asking price, especially if the car needs work. This gives you room to negotiate upwards if needed. Be confident and back up your offer with reasons. Confidence shows that you know what you're talking about and can help sway the seller. Point out any flaws you noticed during the inspection. Highlighting these issues can justify your lower offer. Use these flaws as leverage to negotiate a better price. Sellers are often willing to lower the price to avoid the hassle of fixing these issues themselves. For example, if the car has a no-start issue, mention that you'll need to invest time and money to diagnose and fix it. Be patient and persistent. Negotiation is a skill that improves with practice, so keep honing your tactics. Many cars have common issues that can be fixed relatively easily. No-start problems are a good example. Always start by checking the fuses, especially the powertrain control module fuse. If you hear the fuel pump priming, that's a good sign. A blown fuse is a cheap and easy fix. Exhaust leaks are another common problem. Inspect the muffler and exhaust pipes for any holes or cracks. A new muffler is a relatively inexpensive fix. Head gasket issues sound scary, but they can be manageable on some cars. Detailing is crucial for maximizing your car's value. It not only enhances the appearance, but also helps in maintaining the car's condition over time. A clean and shiny car attracts buyers and commands a higher price. The first impression is often the most important, and a well-detailed car can make all the difference. Start with a thorough exterior wash. Make sure to rinse off all the dirt and grime before moving on to the next steps. Use a clay bar to remove contaminants embedded in the paint. This step is essential for achieving a smooth and clean surface. Polish the paint to restore its shine. This will help in removing minor scratches and oxidation. Next, tackle the interior for a complete detailing job. Vacuum the carpets and seats thoroughly. Pay attention to the nooks and crannies where dirt can accumulate. Use an upholstery cleaner to remove any stains. This will help in keeping the interior looking fresh and new. Clean the dashboard, steering wheel and all other surfaces. Use a microfiber cloth to avoid scratches and ensure a streak-free finish. Finally, don't forget the engine bay. A clean engine bay not only looks good, but also helps in identifying any potential issues. A clean engine bay makes a great impression on potential buyers. It shows that the car has been well maintained and cared for.